this became this. I didn't shoot either one. I directed both inside Topview Film Studio, and that's just one shot. Today I'm putting Topview Film Studio through 3 different projects, testing 30-second generations, camera motion control, full ad automation, and more. Let's start in Topview Film Studio, and first let's create a laptop cinematic ad to test a maximum length of 30 seconds with Seedance 2.5. We have a bunch of cool things here in Film Studio. I will not go through all of them, I will just demonstrate a few of them. And also we have a lot of film skills, which is amazing. You can go through them and use any of them that you want. There are a bunch of them here. So let's just create a new project. And this is how it looks. This is basically a one-stop shop to create any kind of cinematic video, movie, commercial, whatever you want. And yes, this is a canvas, but loaded with a bunch of cool tools. On the right side here, we have an agent. You can do a bunch of cool things with it. You can brainstorm a script, design a product ad or UGC product ad or whatever you want. And if you don't have any kind of idea, you can just ask an agent for an idea and it will give you a bunch of cool ideas. So basically, I will just paste my own script because I already have an idea in my head what I want to create. So I made a script and I have my images prepared for this. You can also use the agent or use the image generator to generate your images, but I already have all the images, so basically I'm pasting everything that I need here and explaining the agent that I want to make me a prompt, 2 prompts of 30-second length each to create 1-minute cinematic ad for a laptop that doesn't look as cinematic ad for a laptop from the very beginning. And here we have the results, so let's watch them together. Not bad at all. So let's watch the second one. Ooh, I love this.
Yes! Let's go!
You don't play the game, you live it. I really like it, but now after watching these 2 clips, I realized that I made a huge mistake. And the mistake is that the ending of my first video is not natural continuation to the beginning of my second video. And if we merge these 2 videos together in one minute long video, we will have just a messy cut in between, and I don't like it. I forgot to specify it in a prompt to make natural continuation to the second video. So let's fix it. Let me show you how I think I can fix this. Let's go to the second video and let's go to the very beginning. And here I have really neat option, frame capture. So if I click current frame, it will capture the frame wherever I'm on the timeline, but I want the first frame. So let's capture the first frame. And this is our first frame. Now I just asked the agent to give me a new prompt for shot 1 that will end with this specific frame. And here we have the prompt. I will just double check everything and say generate video. Okay, here is the result, so let's watch it together. Nice, and it's ending with this exact frame that we needed. So now let me show another cool feature here, and that's a timeline. Instead of going to external video editor, we can just quickly grab our frames and rearrange it here on the timeline. So we have 2 clips here and we can just watch the transition between these 2 clips or the whole video, how it looks and so on and so forth. So let's watch the transition between first and second clip. Not bad, right? There is one thing that really bothers me in this video, and that's the ending. You can see this is perfectly fine, but then instead of looking at a laptop, you can see the laptop in his eyes, he is looking off the laptop in camera, and that's something that I really don't like. So let's quickly fix only this part. So the fix is really simple. I just told the agent what I want. I want just the ending of the video and to give me a prompt and the length of video. When I'm satisfied with the prompt, I just said create the ad, and here is the result.
Yes! Let's go!
Now that we have all the pieces ready, let's watch the whole commercial. Let's start with the new project, and I will close the agent because I don't need it for this one. Now I will upload my own photo, me as a cowboy playing poker. So this is really cool, and I will make a video out of this. So to do that, I will just click on a plus icon and then on a video and just paste my own prompt. And just erase the image1 tag because I have my poker game tag here. And also I will upload my own audio because I want to say something in my own voice. If I don't do that, Seedance will use some voice, some random voice for me. I've seen a whole lot better liars than you. So this is what I will say in the game. And now where the prompt is ready, let's change the duration. I just want 6 seconds. And also 720p, 16:9, Seedance 2.5, and let's press generate. I've seen a whole lot better liars than you. Not bad at all, but this is a static frame, camera is not moving, it's a little bit boring, we can do a few things. First, let's enhance the portrait, add a little bit more detail to the face and the clothing. So let's use 2K, it's pretty much enough, and it will automatically generate a new portrait. And you can see I have a little bit more detail. It's almost like boosting a mid-contrast details on the photo, so I pretty much like it. And now I will also relight the photo, so change the light because I don't like this light, for example, and I can just play with this gizmo here and change the color temperature, the light, the brightness, the hardness. So basically here I want the top light, and I will change the temperature to a little bit warmer light. Perfect, something like this, and let's press generate. By the way, you can use the presets here if you don't want to do it by yourself. So 3-point light, butterfly, Rembrandt light, all the popular settings, but I will go with my own top light here. And this is the result. I really like it. You can see the difference between these two. So I have a top light, not just on myself, but also on the people in the back and also on this guy in the front of me. So the whole scene is changed completely. And now let's generate the video out of this one. I will use exactly the same prompt and I will just change the camera. So I will add the camera. We can change whatever we want. We can go to recommended. That it will recommend the vintage camera because it's a vintage scene, as you can see. But I will go to my settings. I like classic film camera with anamorphic lens. And for this scene, 40mm is okay. And also 1.4 aperture. So that's it. Also, we can change the camera motion. We can add the camera motion. So here, I will go with Dolly in, but you have a bunch of camera motions here that you can try out. So Dolly in for this. And also, let me show you, we can go with the style. In the style here, you can change the lighting. We already did that before, but you can also do it here. And also we can change the color palette because this is already a vintage scene and we have vintage sepia tones. Let's just do that and enhance it a little bit. And now that all the settings are ready, let's generate. I've seen a whole lot better liars than you. Another cool thing that we have here is the expression control. So we can manually select the face or automatic detection, which is the case here, and we can change the presets here that we have. So maybe not sad, maybe angry. Yeah, let's set angry and let's press generate. And I'm really angry. I'm playing poker and this is like really angry. Not bad. And this is the original one. This is the angry face. UGC ads that are really popular these days on social networks. In Film Studio, you can create basically with closed eyes. It's so easy. Let me show you really quickly. Let's start with a new project, and here I will click on UGC product ad. And it says create UGC style product ad that feels casual and authentic, highlight the product's top benefit like a real customer review. I will just say that the product is wireless headphones, modern sleek design, and the video length is 10 seconds. And also I will upload the skill for UGC ad video. And now I will press generate, and the agent will do everything for me. It will create a script, it will do the prompting, everything. Now it says that I need to insert the photo of the product that I want to showcase. This is the photo, and then it will show me the photo of a person that will showcase the headphones. And if I like it, I will just say continue, and then it will show me 2 more photos of the same person in different pose. And if I'm happy with this, in this case I am, I will just say create an ad, and after a few minutes, this is the result.
Okay, I was not expecting these wireless headphones to look this good. Look at this design, it feels way more premium than the price. And the sound, it's actually insane. Deep bass, super clean vocals, comfortable enough to wear all day, already ordering my mom a pair.
And we can also upscale it to get a little bit more details, and this is how it looks.
Okay, I was not expecting these wireless headphones to look this good. Look at this design, it feels way more premium than the price. And the sound, it's actually insane. Deep bass, super clean vocals, comfortable enough to wear all day, already ordering my mom a pair.
By the way, Topview is the sponsor for today's video, and they have really cool offer for ultra annual users. They will get 60 days of unlimited Seedance 2.5. All you need is to apply on the link down below and enjoy a bunch of cool features on Topview. I just demonstrate a few of them today. Right, see you in my next one. Bye bye.